came outside. And I found out how to make them start making noises. So I need to put the noiser here. So I take the other frog. If I can get it. Take the other frog and set it on top. The one should actually start making noises. One should actually begin to make noises when the other's on top of him. It's gonna be making noises. They're actually on each other. See, he made a noise. Come on, you two. See, he actually will piggyback the other one. See, he made noises. Is it this one that made the noise? Ah! Hi! Hi there! Boing. He's on the phone! He's making noises! He slipped out. Stop being so little. Stop being so squidgy. Need to set them on top of each other. He's gonna make noises. He's peeping! He's peeping! That was the other one! So, it's hard to get the thing to do what you want them to, especially when they're so damn sticky. One. He ejected! This is good. Okay. See if I can get the other one to do it. See? He's piggybacking this one. It tends to be rather jumpy. There you go, that's enough with the frogs now.